Hi guys, it's Moimoi o'clock. So I'm going to be showing you the ingredients I'm going to be using for this Moimoi. Probably not all, but I will show you the basic. So here I've got, you can use oil or you can use butter, whichever one you want. I've got some cooked egg here, which you guys are not seeing. And I have rosemary, I have curry, and I have paprika, smoked paprika. I'm going to be using thyme as well. Here is salt, and I have crayfish over here. I have some fish stock here, and I have my washed beans and pepper mixture that I'm going to be using. I'm going to blend this off camera because I don't want this video to be long, and we'll get to. So I'm done blending everything, and I love to do this. I have this is it hand blend or whatever it is called. So I'm going to run it around. So now at this point, I'm going to add. I'm using butter, not oil. Add crayfish. So while I'm mixing, I'm going to preheat the water that I'm going to be using. I'm going to preheat the pan. Yes, this is a trick I learned from the locals while I'm still mixing this. So now I'm going to be adding rosemary, thyme, curry powder. I'm using about a teaspoon of all of these ingredients. So I'm going to be adding the smoked paprika for color, especially because my stock is already salted enough. Mix everything together. Italian food has taught me so much. As you guys notice, I don't have cubes here. So while cooking Italian food, I've learned so much about cooking and not to be using excess Maggi in food. So because majority of my Italian food, not mine, majority of Italian food, they don't call for Maggi. And when these foods are done, presented, they are very delicious and they don't add any something like Maggi. Italians, yeah, seasoning are herbs. Herbs, what I mean by herbs is the one they add curry, rosemary, thyme, parsley, and the rest of it. That is what Italian food is made up of. And Italian food is one of the most delicious food all over the world. So I am learning that art of not using a lot of seasoning or not using seasoning at all in my food because I cook more of Italian food. So I'm going to mix everything, and I'm going to be using two different foil here, aluminium here. I'm going to be using this size here and this size, this cup. That is what I'm going to be using. The eggs are already sliced over here. I have my macra fish here already boiled. And this is a matter of choice. If you want to be making yours with Maggi, that is okay. I still use Maggi to make some food, but I in a very low, little quantity. So I know everybody has preference. Everybody love what they love. I'm not saying that Maggi is a bad thing. I'm done mixing everything. It's time to start plating. Some of this moimoi is going to have fish, and some will not have any fish. My choice. Just egg will be on there. So guys, I have this is what I have. I still have some left over here that you guys are not seeing, but these are the ones I put egg inside. So it's time to put them in the heated pan. You need to be careful when doing this. My moi is cooked. Okay, so I'm going to put them inside here, and I don't know how many cups of this moi that I've eaten. I've had this like this. While I'm testing, I just keep eating and eating. Very delicious. This is very delicious, guys. Moimoi, I didn't make this moimoi with Maggi. I had to do my own broth for it to come out very delicious without using Maggi on the food. Like I said, following Italian cooking have helped me a lot. I've learned a lot of things while cooking Italian food. This is why I'm creating my own recipe of not using Maggi, but rather making my own broth at home and that is one of the best way to cook. So thank you for watching, and I will see you on my next one. Bye.